Hello everyone, welcome back to Sparareha YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to create Google Play Store account on Poco C71. Alright guys, so yeah, for those of you who previously have Google Play Store account, but if you want to have another one, don't need to be worried because to create a new Google Play Store account is very easy. So yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright guys, so yeah, the first thing first that you have to do is, of course, now you can go to Google Play Store on your phone like this, and then now you can click account, and then now you can add another account. And then after that, so yeah, now you can click create account and click for personal use, and then you can enter your first name and also last name for option, and then click next. And after that you can enter your basic information such day, month, and year of your born. And then after that again, now you can click next and choose your Gmail address. And then after that, now you can create a strong password and you can review your account info, and then now you can agree all of privacy and terms, and then here's your new Google Play Store account. Alright guys, so yeah, thank you so much for watching.